Ever walked up to your car, ready for a drive, and then boom, your headlights look cloudy, yellow, and old? It makes your car look older and kills your nighttime visibility. But don't worry, today I've got you. I've tested and researched the top 5 headlight restoration kits that actually work. No gimmicks, no shops charging hundreds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which kit brings your headlights back to crystal clear condition. Let's jump straight in. Starting strong with the Cerakote ceramic kit, easily one of the most trusted options on the market. Why people love it? Removes oxidation. Fast bonds a ceramic UV coating that lasts for years. No drills, no extra tools, everything in the box. How it works, Step 1. Oxidation removing wipes clear surface haze instantly. Step 2. Light sanding removes deeper damage. Step 3. Ceramic coating wipes seal the headlight with a long-lasting shine. With 4.6 stars from nearly 60,000 reviews, this one's the long-term winner. If you could make your headlights new in under 30 minutes, would you try this kit? If you want professional level results, this one is for you. The 3M Ultra Kit. Inside, you get sanding discs, masking tape, a disc pad holder, and a wax protectant. Use it by hand or attach it to a drill for a pro finish. 3M's abrasive tech removes yellowing, scratches, and oxidation while leaving a smooth, polished lens. With 4.6 stars from 14,000 plus reviews, it's a favorite for people who want that dealership-level clarity. If you've ever detailed your car yourself, drop in the comments. Next, the trusted classic, Sylvania. This kit is all about simplicity and clarity that lasts. You get surface activator, sandpaper, clarifying compound, and their UV clear coat. If your headlights are hazy, foggy, or dull, this clears them beautifully and seals them tight. With 4.5 stars from over 25,000 reviews, it's one of the most reliable options for beginners. Stick around. The next one is a game changer for serious dye detailers. If you like 3M but want something simpler and cheaper, the 3M Auto Restore and Protect Kit is your guy. Includes sanding discs, foam pad gloves, clear coat wipes. It's quick, easy, and gentle on plastic lenses. Perfect for headlights, taillights, fog lights, a true multi-purpose kit. With 4.5 stars from 6,000 plus users, it's the go-to budget option that still delivers excellent clarity. Tell me, do you prefer fast results or deep professional restoration? Finishing strong with a favorite among detailers, Megiar's 2-step kit. 2 steps only. Step 1. Cleaning solution plus abrasive pads remove oxidation. Step 2. Protective coating seals and shines for up to 1 year. No drills, no heavy sanding. Super beginner friendly. It leaves headlights with a smooth, glossy finish that looks freshly waxed. With 4.4 stars from over 11,000 reviews, this one's perfect for fast, visible results that actually last. It boosts nighttime visibility instantly. Cerakote, best long-term ceramic protection. Sylvania, best for simple, reliable clarity. 3M Ultra, best pro-level finish for dye detailers. 3M Auto Restore, best quick and budget-friendly option. Megiar's 2-step, best for fast results with year-long protection. After using any kit, avoid washing your car for 24 hours so the coating can fully bond. And there you have it, the best headlight cleaning kits that actually restore your headlights to like-new clarity. So tell me, which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing your results. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more car care and detailing tips, and share this video with someone driving around with foggy headlights. Next up, I'm reviewing the best interior cleaning kits. Don't miss it. Until then, keep your ride shining, and I'll see you in the next one.